Good day everyone, my name is Dante Gilo. This is my report about segmental or individual sound. Consonant. A consonant is a sound that produced by blocking air from flowing out with the mouth, teeth, tongue, or palate. For example, F. Mo forms the sound block ang teeth, then ma-forms siya ng sounds V, H, of J. Consonant. Consonant may come alone or in cluster but have to be connected to a vowel to form syllables. For example, consonant letter is B, then ang vowel kay A, who forms the syllables into two. Then isang sound kay ba, ba. Then B og A na pod, B, ja. B og I, B. Then B og O, bo. Then B og U, bo. English has 21 consonant letters for 24 consonant sound in most English accent. J, H, J, K, L, M, B, C, D, F, G, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z, and sometimes Y. Example, letters and symbols. CH, church, kitchen, speech. SH, ship, pressure of wish. TH, think, athlete, month. NG, sing, younger, bank. F, photo, coffee, laugh. Letter P, pen, attempt, or tap. The letter Y produces a consonant sound if at the beginning of a word yellow, but a vowel sound if at the end of a word sunny. Example, kung ang Y nasa beginning, ma-member siya sa consonant, then kung ang Y nasa wahi, member siya sa vowel.